Surface cracks after applying a finish can totally ruin your project, but there's a simple way to avoid that mess by controlling the finish thickness and drying conditions. So, like when you're putting on a finish, don't just slather it on thick thinking it'll be better. You want to apply thin, even coats so the finish dries properly without cracking. Also, make sure you're working in a spot that's not too hot or too cold, because extreme temps mess with drying times and can cause cracks. Give each coat enough time to dry completely before adding the next one. That patience pays off big time. If your finish is drying too fast, try increasing the humidity a bit or move your project to a cooler place. Using the right type of finish for your material is key too, because some finishes are more flexible and less likely to crack. Lightly sanding between coats helps the new layer stick better, which reduces cracking risks. Lastly, don't rush the final cure time. Even if it looks dry, it needs time to settle and harden fully. One of the biggest mistakes causing surface cracks after finish application is slapping on a thick coat. That makes the top dry faster than the bottom, causing tension and cracks, so always go thin and steady. Another common issue is drying in bad conditions like direct sunlight or super dry air, which speeds up drying unevenly. Fix that by controlling your environment or using a humidifier. The third mistake is skipping proper surface prep like sanding or cleaning, which can make the finish bond poorly and crack. Just take the time to prep well, it really helps. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. If you're a contractor, it's a great place to find new jobs and connect with homeowners who actually need your skills.